On to Venezuela now. The race to power there has become a lot more murky. The country's Supreme Justice Tribunal has now suspended the results of an opposition presidential primary that took place early this month. The decision was made in spite of an electoral deal struck between the government and the opposition that allows each side to choose its candidate. And now the opposition is crying foul over the latest judicial clampdown. The U.S. has also threatened sanctions if the ban is not lifted from opposition candidates.
Venezuela's top court said on Monday it has suspended the results of an opposition presidential primary that took place earlier this month. Members of the primary organizing committee were called into the prosecutor's office for interview. The court's ruling comes despite a deal between the government and opposition that allows each side to choose its candidate. The Attorney General announced last week that his office is investigating the primary and members of its organizing commission for electoral violations, financial crimes, and conspiracy. The issue could risk the wrath of the U.S., which rolled back some oil and gas industry and bond trading sanctions in exchange for the electoral deal. In response to Monday's ruling, the U.S. State Department urged President Nicolás Maduro's government to, quote, uphold the commitments they made at the signing of the political roadmap agreement, adding the U.S. will take action if they fail to do so. The court ruled that the commission must present documents such as candidate registration and voting records. It must also account for the participation of candidates like Maria Corina Machado, who is barred by the government from holding public office, something the opposition says it's illegal. Machado was named the winner of the primary. The opposition, which considers the court an arm of the government, has insisted the poll was transparent and fair, while the Maduro government decried alleged fraud. The opposition held the primary without any state help and attracted more than 2.3 million voters.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.